Do you want to streamline your Squarespace and Square sales to be all in one place? Let me show you how to do it automatically using Zapier. In order to get started with this workflow, I need to create a Zap. In Zapier, a Zap is a simple way to connect different apps and make them work together automatically. I can create my Zap by typing in Squarespace to Square on the main page. And then I'll click Try It to get started. The trigger screen will then pop up. Our trigger is an event that starts any Zap. The first time we set up Squarespace, we'll need to connect it with Zapier. A link will pop up for you to connect your API key via Squarespace account. If you don't know where to look, you can find your key on the Developers Tools tab in your Squarespace account and select Developer API Key. Once you do that, click Generate Key and copy it over to your page. And don't worry, Zapier will only perform the actions you tell it to in a given Zap. We'll then need to fill out our trigger app's data. Select the form you'd like to use for your Zap and then click Continue. In order to finish setting up the trigger, we'll need to pull in some example data. To do that, click Test Trigger. Testing our steps ensures that the data we entered is working. You're all set with the first step. Click Continue and we can start creating our action. In Zapier, an action is a task that happens automatically after our trigger is set off. Your action event should already be chosen, so you can click Continue and then log into your Square account just like you did with your Squarespace account. From there, we can start to assign our trigger app's data into the Action Apps fields. I can select from the drop-down menu or add my own text to customize my Zap even further. Once that's complete, I'll test the step. Let's check our Square account to make sure this worked. Yep, there it is. This is ready to turn on. Now, whenever we receive a sale on Squarespace, Zapier will automatically log that information onto our Square account as well. I hope this was a helpful demo. And if Squarespace and Square aren't your thing, Zapier helps anyone connect apps and automate work. No coding required. You can sign up and start for free.